To save your home, but some efforts might appear to be falling a bit short. ABC 15's Angie Holdsworth is live tonight. Angie, the reality is many homes can't be saved?
Yeah, when you consider that and the potential that foreclosures could actually peak in 2011, that's not a very encouraging thing for us to hear. But when you consider whether it be a loan modification or a principal reduction, sometimes there's some limitations as to what can be done. Long lines in the bitter cold outside NACA's Save the Dream tour.
We were going to be out here anyway. Most of us are going to be homeless anyway.
3 years into this crisis, and we still have the crisis. The fact of the matter is the government program has failed, and everything else has failed. So the good and the bad about NACA's Save the Dream events is that it's the only viable solution out there for large numbers of homeowners.
And Chase Bank holding its own sessions for struggling homeowners.
A lot of it comes down to the information that's provided to us by the borrower. So a lot of diligence, I put a lot of responsibility on the borrower.
The reality is that only a fraction of homeowners who actually apply for any kind of assistance are able to get the help that would actually save their home.
The crisis is now. And so the assistance really need to occur now.
Even funds allotted from the federal government for the Neighborhood Stabilization Program appear to be underused. Despite getting $125 million last year with the goal of helping thousands, the Arizona Department of Housing's Save My Home Arizona program has only helped one homeowner reduce principal.
The fact that Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, any government-sponsored loan currently does not allow for principal reduction to take place on that loan, and that's anywhere from, 60 to 80% of the marketplace.
Despite efforts, the reality is that only some homes are savable. And what comes next for those of us grasping is uncertain and emotional at best. And we as a state have until 2017 to use those neighborhood stabilization funds, so there still is a lot of opportunity to do some good there. But you also have to consider that whether you're going through a nonprofit organization or you're going through a bank trying to get some kind of a modification, as it stands right now, the key that this might hinge on is simply income. If you don't have enough income to be able to pay for the mortgage, the current value of your home, likely it's not going to be able to save you in the long run. Live here in Phoenix, I'm Angie Holdsworth, ABC 15 News.